Hey guys, in this video I'll show you, how to fix no radio beep on all servers for Fivem, right? I had a Bluetooth device, a headset worked just fine, and I launched GTA 5. Clearly hear the intro music, game start, the sounds are gone. So what I did, I just right click this, okay? The sound icon here at the bottom right. You right click that, and then you click on open sound settings. Now, make sure there is your headphone in the output section. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load up, right? There we go. So this is the output section, right? Make sure your headphone is here. Right now I'm using my mic, so that's what's connected. So you'll see this one right here. Just make sure your headphone is connected though. And then what you need to do is scroll down and click on under advanced sound options, right? Click on app volume devices preferences, okay? Now here, as you can see, I don't have GTA 5 open though, but if you had it open and you had it minimized, you would see this under app, and you just change the output here from default and make sure you select your microphone, okay? And that will fix the issue. So go ahead and do that. Otherwise, really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.